Are you fed up with seemingly biased reviews, where some reviewers only show you the best footage when the camera's in its ideal environment, and some reviewers have actually altered the footage to make it look even better than what the camera really is? Well, fear no more, you're in the right place, because we're going to be reviewing the DJI Action 5 Pro, sticking it head to head against the Insta360 AcePro 2, and we're not affiliated with either of these companies, so we really don't care which one of these two cameras really does give out the best image quality. We just want to know which one really is the best. So we've gone out and purchased both of these cameras with our own money, and what we're going to do is a blind test. We're going to name one of the cameras A and one of the cameras B. We'll set them both up so they can record at their highest bitrate. Then all you have to do is let us know which one you prefer, either A or B, in the comment section below, and we'll reveal which is which at the end of the video. Let's get straight into it. So there you go, let us know in the comment section which one you preferred, either A or B. Now here's the results. Camera A is the Insta360 AcePro 2 and camera B is the DJI Action 5 Pro. Now obviously this is just an image quality test, and both these cameras come with many more features and settings inside them that may make either of the cameras right for you. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to support the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And we've just recently launched our Patreon page, so if you want to see further reviews just like this, head on down to that Patreon page and join our fantastic community. Oh, and did you see our last video where we compared the GoPro to the Action 5? Well, check it out here. We'll catch up in that next video. See you soon, everyone.